Hello, some ideas to retain from this FIA event in Dublin. Great success. We are reaching excellent levels of participation, engagement, commitment of all of us, seen in the excellent sessions, large demonstrations in the booths, a high number of projects presenting their results through posters, a very positive atmosphere. Now we are looking ahead into Horizon 2020, so we have been looking into new initiatives like the Future Internet 5G initiative, open the consultation now to all of you, also making a reflection on how FIA can continue catalyzing on new ideas, on new ways of converging between all the projects, past, present and future. And the announcement that FIA will be in Greece next year. So until then, enjoy your time, continue contributing to the Future Internet, making Europe a successful platform for new applications and for creation of jobs and growth. Bye-bye.